getting more breaking inputs after Noida schools received threat. A thorough check was done of the school premise, and the Noida cops have assured that nothing suspicious was found and that parents need to stay calm. That's the appeal coming in from the cops. Nothing suspicious found. Sabyasachi is getting us more details. I believe the search operation is complete as far as Noida schools are concerned. Sabyasachi?
Well, absolutely. See, the search operations at the Noida school is also being completed and nothing has been found. See, all the school premises in the Delhi NCR region where the threat email have been received, the search operation is completed and nothing has been found from this school. Now the focus has been shifted to the investigating part, and that is the reason why now the police of Noida as well as the national capital is focusing to make sure that from which IP address this email was sent across to various schools, and also which are the people who are responsible behind it, because this particular attempt, though the MHA has said that it is a hawk's call and the parents of the children have nothing to worry about and not to panic, but this particular email had already created panic across the Delhi NCR region. We had seen the pictures of early in the morning when there was huge crowd of parents lining up in front of the school to take their children back home, and also it has resulted into massive traffic jam in and about the national capital region.
Right. In fact, we do have a ground report, Sabyasachi. Stay on with us. Let's take a look.
ये तस्वीरें हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं। देखिए, डॉग स्क्वाड के जरिए पूरे जो प्रीमाइसेस है उसको खंगाला जा रहा है। मेरे वीजे आपको दिखा रहे हैं विनोद पांडे कि कैसे पहले पूरे जो बिल्डिंग के अंदर के कमरे थे उन्हें खंगाला गया, और अब जो लॉन एरिया है, जो बाहर का कैंपस है, उससे खंगाला जा रहा है। हर तरफ देखिए ये डॉग स्क्वाड की टीम वहां पर पहुंची हुई है। ये तस्वीरें बता रही हैं कि कितनी गंभीरता से उस थ्रेटनिंग को लिया गया है, और ये जो टीमें हैं वो लगातार कोशिश इसी बात को लेकर कर रही है कि पूरी तरह से आश्वस्त हो जाएं। हालांकि अभी तक जितनी भी जांच हुई है उसमें कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं मिला है जो डराने वाला हो या परेशान करने वाला हो। लेकिन ये तस्वीरें हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं, जरा तस्वीरें आप देखिए। ये डॉग स्क्वाड की टीम यहाँ पर एक बार फिर से कोना कोना जो बोलते हैं डीपीएस नोएडा का, वो छान रही है। और ये देखिए कि जो प्लांट है उसके अंदर घुस करके भी डॉग स्क्वाड की जो टीम है वो सब कुछ तलाश रही है ताकि पूरी तरह से सिक्योरिटी को चेक किया जाए। ये देखिए टीमें हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं कैसे एक एक जो कोना है उसे छाना जा रहा है। लॉन का पूरा जो एरिया है उसे देखा जा रहा है। ये डिटेक्टिंग सेट है उससे ये तलाशा जा रहा है कि जिस तरह की धमकी आई है कहीं ऐसी कोई भी बात स्कूल में ना हो। सबसे पहले जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं उन्हें बाहर निकाला गया, उन्हें अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ घर भेजा गया, खाली करवाया गया स्कूल का पूरा कैंपस। उसके बाद एक एक कमरा खंगाला गया, टीम ने जाकर खंगाला, और उसके बाद अब ये जो लॉन का एरिया है उसे तलाशा जा रहा है इस धमकी के मद्देनजर। तो ये हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं तस्वीरें इस वक्त डीपीएस नोएडा से, जिसमें आप देख सकते हैं कैसे अभी भी जो तलाशी का काम है वो चल रहा है।
Sabyasachi continues to be with us on the broadcast. Sabyasachi, what is the status of the investigation? Have the IP address been identified? Are the cops in a position now to tell us who they can source it back to?
Well, see, now the investigation is underway, though the cops have not shared any details whether they are close enough to catching the culprits who are responsible behind it. But we are seeing that definitely some movement taking place in various private schools across the Delhi NCR region. See, if you speak about the Sanskriti school, a few minutes back we had seen that for an hour the crime branch team was at the spot after the Delhi police team had left the spot.
In fact, Sabyasachi, as we speak, we are getting some details as far as those IP address are concerned, and we're given to understand that the IP address has been traced to Russia. That's the information coming in. Mail and IP address has been identified according to sources. This is what our sources are telling us, that the Russian IP address was used. It has been traced to Russia. That's what we are picking up. We'll try and connect with the reporters to get you more details. That's the latest in terms of the investigation in the emails that were received by multiple schools this morning, talking about, threatening about a bomb blast, a bomb attack on these schools, after which we saw the officials from the police department, the bomb disposal squad and the fire department as well being rushed to the spot, to the schools that received these threats. Sabyasachi continues to be with us. Sabyasachi, so breaking news coming in, and this is what sources are telling us, that the mail and the IP address has been traced.
Well, absolutely. See, from the sources, what we are picking is that the IP address has been traced to Russia, and the email address as well. But the Delhi police is looking into this matter. We have seen that several teams of Delhi police are into various schools carrying out the searches, carrying out the investigation, and also the crime branch team is into action right now. See, strong message has been given by the Lieutenant Governor to look into this matter. He has spoken with the Commissioner of the National Capital and asked him to take this matter very seriously and to catch the culprits as soon as possible. See, though the MHA on one hand, it has said that it is a hoax call and the parents should not panic about the situation, and the due SOP is being followed by the Delhi police, and what is needed in this matter for investigation, that is being done on ground by the investigating team.
All right, Sabyasachi, keep tracking all the developments for the moment. Thank you for getting us the inputs. With that, we're slipping into a very short break. News and updates will continue.